Blockchain Fundamentals. Module 2. Bitcoin and Beyond. Introduction to Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? A decentralized peer-to-peer digital currency, which uses cryptography to ensure the security and integrity of transactions. It is not issued by any central bank or government, as all transactions are recorded on the Bitcoin blockchain. Introduction to Bitcoin. Fundamental principles. The main fundamental principles are decentralization, that is, no central authority, transparency as all transactions are publicly recorded, and immutability as recorded transactions cannot be changed. The figure shows some transactions recorded in Bitcoin's blockchain. The Bitcoin network. Bitcoin network is peer-to-peer, as no central servers exist, with any node being able to connect to any other one. This allows Bitcoin's blockchain to be replicated in several nodes in the network. Bitcoin network nodes. As we can see from the data extracted from bitnodes.io, the Bitcoin network has over 20,000 nodes. Mining and transactions. Let's now take a look at Bitcoin mining and transactions. Mining. The process of validating transactions and creating new blocks is called mining, and it is performed by miners. The goal of a miner is to create blocks that are accepted in Bitcoin's blockchain. For this, the miners select transactions and their associated fees to be included in a block and attempts to be the first to solve a cryptographic puzzle. Example, block number 881449. Mining block 881449 yielded 3.13 bitcoins to the successful miner. Mining. How does it work? The steps of mining a block. As previously said, Bitcoin mining involves several steps as shown. It is important that mining is highly competitive and that there is only one winner. Importance of mining. Mining prevents double spending, maintains Bitcoin's blockchain integrity, and introduces new coins into circulation. The reward for a successful block creation motivates miners to maintain and secure the network. Bitcoin and double spending. What is double spending? As Bitcoins are simply beats, users would be tempted to use the same Bitcoins more than once, as it could be as simple as copy-paste. This is why all transactions are recorded on Bitcoin's blockchain. Theoretical double spending. Double spending Bitcoins requires replacing the block where the transaction to be double spent is stored. However, as any block is connected to the previous one, this requires recreating the transaction block and all that were added to the blockchain after the transactions block. Attempted double spending. Alice tries to reuse 5 BTC. This requires forking the blockchain and recreating block in 102, and all that follows. Meanwhile, miners continue to add block to Bitcoin's blockchain. In practice, Alice needs to have more computational power than the other miners to perform a so-called 51% attack. Types of blockchain network. Types of blockchain network. There are 3 main types of blockchain: public, private, and hybrid. A public blockchain is universally visible. Conversely, a private blockchain is only accessible to authorized users. Finally, a hybrid blockchain has a mix of public and private properties. Other blockchain platforms. Some other blockchain platforms. While Bitcoin was the first blockchain platform, many others have since emerged. Examples include Ethereum, Hyperledger Fabric, Kaleido, Ripple, and Solana, just to name a few. Ethereum. Ethereum is another major blockchain platform. It departs from Bitcoin, as it provides a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and support for smart contracts and decentralized applications. Hyperledger Fabric. Hyperledger Fabric is an open-source blockchain platform focusing on enterprise applications and business solutions. Comparatively to the Bitcoin and Ethereum networks, Hyperledger Fabric gives greater control over permissions and privacy. It supports smart contracts under the name of chaincodes. Some other platforms. Other blockchain platforms include Ripple, Solana, and Kaleido, just to name a few. Ripple boosts fast international payments, while Solana delivers high transaction speed and scalability. Conclusion. While Bitcoin is the pioneer of blockchain, many other blockchain platforms, some with some distinctive features, have since emerged. Blockchain technology has the potential to substantially change several industries. Thank you